Meow, 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 meow.
Good morning, cuties. How did you sleep last night?
It was rainy.
It was,
She didn't, so that works.
she looks very comfortable. It was super rainy. That storm was something, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
There's a little bear cub in the tree. Way up there. How's it going? Did you have fun up in the tree?
Yep.
Come here. Come here. You got a little dirty from the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch me climb it.
Oh, maybe in a little bit. I have to do a couple things. I'm gonna make some tea. My tea water is ready. Yay!
That means my.
Hi. We are on day 2 of camping. Last night it rained a lot. We got our tent set up before it got dark, thankfully. And then as we were laying in bed, I could see the lightning, mosquito, and thunder just lighting up our whole tent. And then it started to pour, and it poured, and it poured, and it poured. Oh my goodness, and it would start to lighten up some, and then it would just dump on us again. So we kept waking up all night long, unfortunately. But I woke up in good spirits this morning to sunshine. I got ready for the Kingdom Hall, went to the Grand Marais Kingdom Hall for the first time. It was a lot of fun. It was so cute, and I met a lot of really fun people. Then we went to Grand Marais just to look for a couple things. Strangely enough, all of the stores are closed on Sunday. The grocery stores that were in the area. So we did not get water, unfortunately, but we'll have to get some tomorrow. Usually we get spring water here because the spring water is so clean and so good, but they tested it for a type of bacteria that is not normally present in the water, and this time it was. So sadly, that means that somewhere along the line of the spring, it was compromised and is allowing contaminants to leak into the spring. They're working on figuring out what happened and where it is, but
Mom,
unfortunately that can't help us right now.
Look behind you, it's so cute.
Oh, there's chickadees that keep perching around us. One came and hopped up right next to me on the bench. It was so cute. I love little birds. So yeah, it's raining right now. And we just had lunch, which was a lot of fun. And now I'm gonna make bug spray because mosquitoes are out in full force because they love rain. I made myself some tea. But I don't know, I thought I'd show you how to make bug spray. I have the recipe for it on my website, which you can find atcisforcomfort.com, and just hit bug spray in the search bar. Otherwise, you know what, I'll put a link to it in the description too. So before I left home, I filled this with distilled water halfway. Can you see that? And now I'm going to fill it with witch hazel. Witch hazel helps repel the bugs, and I think it also helps preserve the bug spray so that way it doesn't go bad. Hey buddy. I got lavender scented this time, so hopefully that will smell nice. Ta-da! Now unfortunately this is not corn free because, let me read the ingredients really quick. Purified water, aloe, glycerin, which is vegetable glycerin, which means that potentially it probably is corn. Fragrance, natural lavender. It could be an artificial lavender. It doesn't mean it's real lavender, unfortunately. Hemhomalus. Oh my gosh, how do you say that? H-A-M-A-M-E-L-I-S. Mammalis Virginia extract, so that's made from certified organic witch hazel. Lavandula angustifolia lavender flower water. I'm so good at butchering these names, aren't I? And citric acid is, as we know, corn. Genetically modified corn that was treated with pesticides. Black mold was grown on it, then it was treated with chemicals, treated with radiation, and turned into citric acid. That's what citric acid is. Well, actually citric acid is, no thank you, buddy. Citric acid can be from fruit too, like you would think from citrus, but unless it says otherwise, it's always the corn-based citric acid, sadly. I have not yet found a single source of citric acid that is not the corn-based citric acid. And then the last ingredient is Citrus grandis seed extract, which is grapefruit seed extract. So there's a lot of safe ingredients in here, a couple unsafe ingredients in here for people with corn allergies or mold allergies, because you want to avoid citric acid if you have severe mold allergies. But there's no other, I mean, I could make this without this, but this really helps. I've tried making it with just the essential oils and it really didn't work to make the bugs go away as much. This helps so much. I just try not to get it on my skin. If I do, I break out in hives, but it doesn't affect my breathing, thankfully. So know your own level of allergy to corn, and if those ingredients will cause you to have an anaphylactic shock, do not put it in there. But if you're corn light or corn moderate and tolerant to topical corn, then this might be okay for you. All right, I'm gonna get started making this. So honestly, I should have looked at my own recipe because I can't remember how many drops of each thing I put in there. I have this is my essential oil first aid kit that I got this from IKEA. Oh, there's band-aids in there. And this is full of my essential oils for emergency medical purposes. I also have this printout telling you what essential oils can be used for what emergencies. Which will help. I mean, I pretty much know, but you know, if I'm not around and someone else needs to use it, I guess. I just thought it would be a good idea. And then I also have another first aid kit that is specifically for things like band-aids and stuff like that. My grandma gave this to me. I think it's from Target. It's so cute. That's band-aids. And this is my blood pressure cuff that I use in case I am having some sort of allergic reaction, so I can monitor my blood pressure. All right, gonna put this over here and we'll get started. Hey, baby. I have not seen your pink ball. So these are my, I usually keep these in my bags, that way I can make bug spray anytime I go out camping. I've got cedarwood extract, vanilla, which helps lengthen the amount of time it can be used. Lavender, oh my gosh, I love lavender so much. That's my favorite. Let's see, last one, tea tree. All good oils. Sometimes I add a couple other things in there, but these are the main ones that I need. I'm just gonna put, well, vanilla is the hardest to get out. I'll put the other ones in. So I'm gonna do maybe 15 drops of lavender because this is the kid safe bottle. I do make ones that are only for adults, but I didn't bring that this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, 15. Whoops. Oh, it smells so good already. Hopefully that'll start scaring away the mosquitoes. So I added all the essential oils to the bottle. Some people use citronella in theirs. I don't use it in mine because it attracts citronella. Is that on? Lemongrass. I'm sorry. Some people put lemongrass in theirs. And I don't add it to mine because it attracts bees, and I'm allergic to bees. I mean, if you want to put it in a nighttime blend and you don't have a bee problem, you're not scared of bees, then that might be okay, but I just try to avoid bees if I can. Alright, so essential oils. And I'm just going to fill the rest. Ooh, is this even coming out? No, I didn't take the safety thing off. How silly am I? Okay, so it's full of witch hazel now. I'm just gonna put the spray bottle topper on and we're good to go. We've got our own homemade bug spray, non-toxic for the kiddos. So yeah, I hope you are having a great day. I'll get back to you later with some more camping updates, but today's been pretty busy. We've just been running around doing stuff, eating and having fun and trying to stay dry. Heading down to the falls.
We're totally here.
It's gonna be so much fun.
It's gonna be awesome.
Don't people usually swim over here?
Yeah, in the fall.
If you just jumped off from this rack, would it be safe going that way?
No.
Why not?
Because we get sucked under the currents.
Well, what about over there by our sandbar? It looks like root beer down there.
This water is moving so fast. It's crazy.
Celeste.
You're building?
Yeah.
Cool.
Ah! Got me in it. That's good enough proof that you shouldn't use it.
Aw, I love you though.
This hard rocks are ripped. That side. Oh, what? Should I jump down?
I don't know. Do you think you should?
Should I do it?
If you want to. 3, 2, 1. Alright, buddy, I'm turning it off now.
No. 3. Remember when I lost all of my rocks?
2,
Yeah, that day sucked.
1. Go! Woo!
That's scary, okay?
Was that fun?
Yeah, just my hand hurts.
Aw. How do you feel?
Push against me. Push against me. Does it hurt?
Look at how the rain is carving grooves in this rock. That's so cool.
I'm trying to wash my hands.
Kinda neat.
Oh, it's so deep. Don't slip.
Don't get too close to the water, baby.
I'm gonna get the paddle.
Hey, little duck.
Paddle nose. This one? No. Wait.
Okay. Woo! Careful.
My shoe fell off.
It's foggy out and it's so beautiful.
Yeah, just in case you went my direction.
Are you okay?
I didn't realize that the rock was like,
So low?
yeah, I can't get
Need
up.
help?
This is something to know. It's Liam's
Okay.
hand.
Liam, where are you? Liam!
Put your hand up.
Hey, buddy. Somebody's in a groove. Check out these grooves where rocks have just worn away. It's pretty cool.
You're about to rock through rocks. Little rocks.
Just a little wet. Hey, you little monkey.
Hi.
Having fun up there?
Yeah. I'm gonna get down now.
Okay. Rats for dinner for everybody who can have corn and meat. Vicky and I are gonna have butter mushrooms. And she's gonna have safe hot dogs.
Mmm.
Mmm.